We have already seen the achievements of outgoing XCOM, and I'm sure the incoming XCOM has plans already to do more than this. All the best, everybody. We have come to the installation part. The installation of the incoming XCOM will be done by Toastmaster Adil. He's a passionate Toastmaster working as a head of marketing at Cameraman and a freelance trader. Served as president, VPM at Chennai Toastmaster Club. Served as VPPR at Downtown Speakers Forum. We congratulate you for becoming the area director C1. We're looking forward to great relationship with Wake Up and area director. Over to you, Toastmaster Adil.
Thank you, MC, for the day. Good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Thank you for the information. So let's do it very quickly. So would the Zoom master spotlight the outgoing officers? Okay.
Yeah, I think easiest one is others can switch off the video.
Yes.
Other than the outgoing officers.
I spotted you.
Okay.
Yes, but I will spotlight the persons.
Good. Can I start? Outgoing officers, at this time, you are discharged from all of your duties and responsibilities. Thank you for the excellent services to this club. First of all, kudos to you. I request each and every one of you to give a big round of applause for their time and the guidance. And I'm here to install the new officers of Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club and briefly state their key responsibilities and to remind them of the challenge that lie ahead. This sheet says briefly state, but it has 5 pages, so have some patience till I complete. Their collective challenge is to make this club one of the best in Toastmaster International. This will involve helping the members achieve their goals as well as leading the club to President's Distinguished Club status this coming year. Will the new officer team please come forward in order, beginning with Sergeant at Arms and ending with President? First, let's start with Sergeant at Arms. Can we have Toastmaster Vignesh Silvakumar in spotlight? Yeah, perfect. Toastmaster Vignesh Silvakumar, as Sergeant at Arms, you arrange for the meeting link, maintain club equipment in working order, ensure that adequate club supplies are available, set up the room before the meeting begins, make all relevant educational and PR materials are displayed, attend to special needs if at all any, greet guests, help the president make sure the meeting begins on time. Toastmaster Vignesh Silvakumar, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yeah, sure. I already started practicing it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, I'm exciting. Yeah, this is my first role and I'm excited to do that. Yeah.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vignesh. Congratulations. Next, can we have Toastmaster Raghunathan in spotlight?
Toastmaster Adil, Raghunathan has undergone a minor dental surgery, so he is not able to reach out. He is not able to attend.
Okay.
But I will be his proxy.
Perfect. So, can you just please convey these things to Raghunathan? As a treasurer, he'll keep financial records and prepare the club budget, announce when it's time for the members to pay dues, explain the due structure to the members, collect dues, work with the secretary to ensure that club submits dues promptly on time to Toastmaster International World Headquarters. Toastmaster Raghunathan, will he perform these duties to the best of his ability, Toastmaster Soundarya?
Yes, he will. I
you
will inform him. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Next, can I have Toastmaster Sandana Mullai on spotlight? Yeah. Toastmaster Sandana Mullai, as a secretary, you maintain an accurate membership roster and attendance, submit the new club officer list to Toastmasters International by June 30. Work with treasurer to ensure the new member application and dues get to Toastmaster International World Headquarters as soon as possible. Work with the treasurer to submit your club's renewal dues to Toastmaster International on time. Provide the club with minutes of each meeting. Toastmaster Sandana Mullai, will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will. I'll keep
Thank you.
accurate record.
Thank you for the confirmation. Next, we are going to VPPR. Toastmaster Yashwant Dharma Dev is not available, I think. Can we have VPPR subcommittee member Toastmaster Karan Bagga on spotlight?
Yeah.
As a Vice President Public Relation, you attract visitors to the club through free publicity. Use a variety of means to promote the clubs in the community. Enlist your fellow club members in PR activities, providing them with promotional materials and ideas for inviting guests. Regularly recognize member achievements with methods such as announcements, newsletters, emails, and articles that you submit for the newsletter. Toastmaster Karan Bagga, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability along with Toastmaster Yashwant Dharmade?
That's for sure. Definitely would love to.
Thank you for the information. Can we have Toastmaster Ranjit Shankar on spotlight? Toastmaster Ranjit Shankar, as a Vice President of Membership, you lead the club's membership building effort to achieve the membership goal of 8 new members. While the Vice President of Public Relations motivates people to visit your club, you motivate the current members to invite guests. Promptly give new member applications and dues to the Secretary and Treasurer. Personally greet guests and provide them with guest packets, including a membership application. Make sure each guest hears about the benefit of Toastmaster and gets a personal invitation to become a member. Represent your club at area council meetings. Toastmaster Ranjit Shankar, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Ranjit Shankar. Next, can we have Toastmaster Mohammad Yasin on spotlight?
Yeah.
Toastmaster Mohammad Yasin, as a Vice President Education, you gain commitments from members to set educational goals for themselves. Assure that club members are aware of schedule of meeting rules. Plan meetings that will assist members in meeting their goals. Work with club members to keep meetings fun and well run. Work with your members to ensure that they submit their application for educational awards promptly. Provide for educational topics at club meetings, such as those for the Successful Club Series and Better Speaker Series. Represent your club at area council meetings. As the second highest ranking officer, preside over the meeting when the president is absent. Toastmaster Ranjit Shankar, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
It's Toastmaster Mohammad Yasin. Yes,
Sorry.
I will.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, Mohammad Yasin. Yeah. Toastmaster Soundarya, can we have you on spotlight? Yeah. Toastmaster Soundarya, as a president of Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club, you are the chief executive officer. Thus, you preside at all the club meetings and all the meetings of club executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club adds new members and meets the need of its current members to achieve their communication and leadership goals. Establish a club climate that is supportive, stimulating, and rewarding to its members. Realize that among the resources available to you are fellow club members, club officers team, club officers handbook, area director, division director, the D30 website, all other district officer. Toastmaster Soundarya, you hold the gavel as a symbol of the power and authority that club has given you during your term of office. Pretend that you're holding the gavel. I'm confident that you will use it wisely and with restraint. Toastmaster Soundarya, as a member of Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club, as well as its leader, will you work with your executive team and club members to make Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club a President's Distinguished Club this year?
Yes, I will.
Thank you for the confirmation. Wake Up Chennai Toastmaster Club members, please respond when you asked. You can all unmute and respond. Your officer team has just pledged to serve this club to the best of its ability, to be the best Toastmaster club possible, and to meet the needs of all its members. Your club will need active participation from each member. Do you as a member pledge to work together with your officer team to make Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club the finest Toastmaster club it possibly can be?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. That's a great response. Thank you for each and every one of you. And please join me in extending a warm welcome to all the club officers this term. And can we start with words from incoming president?
Thank you so much, Area Director Toastmaster Adil. Speeches usually end with a thank you, but I would like to start my acceptance speech with a thank you. Thank you to my husband who introduced me to this club. Thanks to the nomination committee to have had the confidence in me to nominate me. Thanks to every single member of Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters to have entrusted me with this responsibility. Thanks to the area, the division, and the district to have given me the exposure with contests and conferences. Thanks to all the previous presidents and the ExComs of Wake Up Chennai to have created the best standards and the best practices. Thanks at last to the seniors of Wake Up Chennai, the chartered member, DTM Alex Jacob, my immediate past president, Toastmaster Karthikeyan, and the past president, Toastmaster Aloysius, who have inspired and have been my mentors from time to time. And of course, the last but not the least, the division director, the incoming district director, Toastmaster Satish Menon. I humbly accept the role of president for Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club, July to December 2021, with utmost gratitude. While I accept the position, I will also make a few promises. I promise I will strive to institute the core values of Toastmasters: integrity, respect, service, and excellence in myself as a Toastmaster and in the club as a whole. I also promise I will strive for transparency, trust, and equal participation within the executive committee. I promise to stay true to the club mission to create a positive and supportive environment for the building blocks of Toastmasters, the members. So the members see club meetings as an energy booster and a stress buster, while simultaneously developing as public speakers and leaders. Congratulations and all the best to the ExCom. Over to Toastmaster Adil. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Soundarya. Next, can we have our Vice President Education, Toastmaster Muhammad Yasin?
Thank you, Toastmaster Adil, and good morning, everyone who are present here. I am truly honored to take up the role of Vice President Education. In the last term, our Vice President Education, Toastmaster Soundarya, did a great job, as it was already informed. Now, my job as a VPE will have to be just build on the momentum that was already created. As a club, we have achieved a great height. We have become a Golden Gavel club, but my job will now have to be to keep the momentum as a club, at the same time to build the club members' experience. That's what I'm going to concentrate. I hope all the leaders who are present here will be able to help me, and I will take inspiration from all the good practices that are available in the Toastmasters fraternity now. Thank you, and over to you, Toastmaster Adil.
Thank you, Yasin. I hope I pronounced your name this time correctly. Next, can we have Toastmaster Ranjit Shankar, the Vice President Membership?
Sure. Thank you, Adil. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for this opportunity. So we are part of Toastmasters, but once we were all a guest or a non-member of Toastmasters. So I also was a guest once in Toastmasters. I do realize the value of Toastmasters. So I'll definitely work with my president and fellow ExCom members, and I will do the best for this club. I will make sure the people who aren't part of Toastmasters to realize the value of it, the potential it has. Because personally, it made me speak the English. It made the English I couldn't speak for the past 25 years. This just 2 years of my Toastmaster journey made me realize what Toastmaster is capable of. I will definitely make sure this message reaches the guests or non-members who would like to achieve something in their life. For that, the base is the communication and leadership, which Toastmaster let people develop generously. So that's it from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranjit. And next, can we have Toastmaster Karan Bagga, VPPR, a subcommittee member?
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Adil. Yeah, I am humbly honored with the opportunity to be the part of the ExCom as a part of the PR in initiative. There is a system in place for the club that's been growing. So thanks to the previous XComs, our job next will be to build upon traction using the system such as established social media presence for a strong membership base, as well as for the improved quality of the club. I ensure that I will do my job with utmost dedication. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Toastmaster Karan. And next, can we have Toastmaster Sandana Mullai, Secretary?
Yes, Toastmaster Adil. I'm excited to take up the role of secretary. As secretary, I'm responsible for club records and correspondence and all other records and documents. I'll keep accurate record of the meetings and activities of the club.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sandana Mullai. Next, can I request Toastmaster Soundarya to read the acceptance message from Toastmaster Raghunathan as a treasurer?
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Adil. I am Raghunathan, a Toastmaster from Wake Up Chennai Toastmasters Club. I have been selected as treasurer of the club. It is my responsibility to maintain the club's finances, including dues, collection, and materials purchasing. I hereby give my words to keep up the defined roles and responsibilities of the treasurer in trustful manner. Also, maintain the complete records of all the transactions involved in my role and obliged to submit it to the XCOM whenever requested. Thank you.
Thank you. And finally, can we have Toastmaster Vignesh Selvakumar as a Sergeant at Arms? Toastmaster Vignesh, you're on mute.
Sorry, I'm doing my role. That's it. Okay, this is my first role in Toastmaster Club, and I am excited to do that. And I hope I will justify my role. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So that brings us to the end. So again, all the best to the incoming XCOM team, and thank you for the outgoing XCOM team. Let's look forward for the great year ahead. So over to the MC of the day, Toastmaster Sandana Mullai.